Introducing Ray, smartphone assistance products for the visually impaired and elderly users. Ray Vision integrates audio feedback and larger icons, while RayClick adds tactile feedback buttons for a multi-sense user experience. App icons transform into large, bright buttons, accessed using the patented Touch Slide Lift interface. Audio feedback announces the selection of any item.
Library menu.
Ray Vision works with user voice commands too. Tactile feedback buttons are available with RayClick, offering fast, easy, and intuitive access to Ray services. RayClick buttons can also be assigned a specific function for faster access. Ray, accessibility for all.